Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add and remove SD card from a SONY Action camera. To do this, first we'll need to look on the back of our camera, and right here on the bottom there's micro SD slot which we need to open, and there's a gap right here that you can put something thin in or use your fingernail and simply pull it open like that. Inside there's a SD card slot, and let me get one. Now there's also this icon that shows how to place SD card. You probably won't be able to see it because the camera is all white, but let's place it just like that. Use something thin or your fingernail to push it in. You should hear the click sound, and that means the card is inserted. If you want to remove it, simply click on it with your fingernail, and now we can remove it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.